Django values underscore list versus values. In Django, what's the difference between the following two? Versus. My goal is to get a list of unique comment ids under each article. I've read the documentation, and in fact have used both approaches. The results overtly seem similar.
The values method returns a query set containing dictionaries. The values underscore list method returns a query set containing tuples. If you are using values underscore list with a single field, you can use flat equals true to return a query set of single values instead of one tuples.
Values returns a query set that returns dictionaries, rather than model instances, when used as an iterable. Values underscore list returns a query set that returns list of tuples, rather than model instances, when used as an iterable. Distinct are used to eliminate the duplicate elements. Example:
Values returns a query set of dictionaries. For example, values underscore list returns a query set of tuples. For example, values underscore list with flat equals true returns a query set of values. No or one field with flat equals true is allowed, and one field must be the first argument with flat equals true, which must be the second argument. For example,
you can get the different values with
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.